What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars. So today I am going to be doing something. I got this box right here. You're probably wondering what is in this box, or you are probably not wondering. Well, those are rear struts for my back window. Damn, it's hard. How do people be doing this in their videos? It's hard to tell. So today what I am going to be doing is attempting to replace those. I've never done it before. I don't even have any idea of what needs to be done for me to do it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so these are the struts that need to be replaced. And we, as in you and I, are going to have to figure out how to replace them. But the first thing I am going to need is my trusty barbecue stick that doubles as a prop. Actually, this may work better. Yuck. We won't use that. We will use this. So let's see if we can get this squared away. So what I do is use this stick to prop up the thingy-ma-dingity. I really hope my wife don't come home and screw this up. Probably need to turn the garage off. Hold on a second. Okay, folks, so what I have to do is move this little piece. Let's get that first. OMG. It popped right off. And, okay, let's move this one. Boom. There's nothing like a simple job. Now, damn, that was easy. Now let's put the new one on. Okay, so now we're going to take this new one and do the exact same thing. Kind of loosen it. Loosen it. Loosen it. Let's see if I can do it just like that. That one popped right in. Guess I really didn't have to loosen it. Now, folks, I'm going to have to put this camera down so I can raise this up more to put the other one on. So there you have it, folks. All you had to do to put this on was to loosen. Let me show you right here. Was to loosen this little piece, which is that little piece right there. Put a flathead screwdriver in it. And this pops. What the fuck was that? This pops right off. You do this the same way, and to put it back on, all you do is just press it in. Very simple. So I'm going to do the other one now. It's a pretty simple job. Hope y'all got something out this video. If you didn't, skip on to the next one. This your boy Jay Reed for the love of cars, signing out. Peace.